Welcome to New York. I've built my practice here. I've grown my practice here. It's the most amazing city. This is where I grew up, and this is where I live, and this is where I work. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon. I'm also board-certified in hair restoration. My practice is strictly focused in hair restoration.
We're all about hair. Dr. Michael Wolfeld here. He's a plastic surgeon who specializes in hair loss.
We're actually talking about hair loss. It can feel devastating.
Dr. Michael Wolfeld is a hair loss specialist in New York City.
So we've got top hair restoration surgeon, Dr. Michael Wolfeld here.
We've had a lot of media segments and media exposure because hair is important. People care about it.
Plastic surgeon and hair loss specialist Dr. Michael Wolfeld says Ricki Lake should be applauded for coming forward with her story.
First of all, what causes people to lose their hair?
Is there a cure for hair loss for men and women?
It really gives a lot of hope to other women that are out there that may be experiencing something similar.
What can men do specifically to prevent hair loss?
There's over-the-counter treatments, there's in-office treatments. This is a robotic hair transplant system.
This is such important news for a lot of folks.
That's fascinating. Thank you, doctor.
You're very welcome. So every day I'm seeing men and women who come in concerned about their hair loss and what we can do for it. It's receded a lot, and it goes all the way back.
I felt like I couldn't really style it in a way that made it look good, basically.
My hair started thinning when I was probably 22, 23 years old.
My hair started thinning. Actually, it started looking like my father's hairline, which really bothered me.
In my office, we offer all methods of hair transplantation, and we offer multiple medical modalities as well. So it's not a cookie cutter approach.
I totally trust him, which is huge for me, finding someone you could trust, especially in New York when there's so many cosmetic surgeons.
We see people from different states, different parts of the country, even different parts of the world that fly in. They have the procedure, they stay in New York for a few days, they enjoy New York for a few days.
It's great to be able to come visit New York, but I think it's more important to go to the right guy. I found out about his background, his Ivy League education, being a plastic surgeon on top of this.
I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon. I'm also board-certified in hair restoration. That's unique. The combination of these two board certifications really gives me the aesthetic acumen. And I've been able to support this with academic articles that have been published in hair restoration. And I've been able to teach physicians and teach them what I do and how to achieve the best full natural outcome that really can be life-changing.
Top hair restoration surgeon, Dr. Michael Wolfeld is back.
Let's talk about this robot here.
Yeah,
what is this? This is next level.
So in my practice, I use the ARTIS robotic system for my FUE procedures, and it's really been great.
Look at this. Oh, it's taking hairs out of the back of the head.
Built into the robot is artificial intelligence and multiple cameras and sensors.
This ARTIS robot was tremendous. And more importantly, get the right person. And I'll tell you, Dr. Wolfeld does a phenomenal job.
These areas is where you had no hair.
Yeah, crazy. Very dramatic difference.
These days, the results are so natural. People don't really realize that you've done something, and it grows in over time, but it always looks natural, and that's the key.
No one actually noticed it. That's how natural it looked. People were just complimenting me on my hair, and that's the result that I wanted.
I felt better when I looked in the mirror, when I just felt better about myself overall.
My experience with Dr. Wolfeld was phenomenal.
He's one of the nicest, most down-to-earth people you can meet.
This is what I do, this is what I love to do, and this is what I do every day. So welcome to my practice.